Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to program one of these NFC tags. What they are, these little stickers that collect data and they can open up websites, and I use them for opening up scenes and automations in my smart home. Today we're just going to be doing a website. We're going to be using Amazon as an example. It's simple. So let's go to the phone here. So first of all, you're going to want to open up your Shortcuts app. Hit the plus sign on top. Type in open URL. Click on open URLs. And at the very top, you're going to want to name this Amazon. Hit done. Okay, let's get out of here. Now I'm going to go to Google and open the Amazon website. And then click on top and copy the URL or the link. Go back to your Shortcuts app. Now where it's darken URL, click on there, paste it there. Hit done. And at the bottom, click that little play button to see if it works. Bam, there it is. All right, let's get out of all this. Now we're going to actually program the NFC tag. So you're going to open up your Shortcuts app again. This time at the bottom where it says automation, looks like a little clock. Click on that. Plus sign on top. Scroll down to NFC. I'm going to put run immediately, and then we're going to scan it. This part programs it. There you go. Now we're going to name it Amazon. Hit OK. Next. New blank automation. Run. Shortcut. Click that. Click on shortcut. The one we just made up, Amazon. Done. So that's it. Now all we got to do is scan the actual NFC tag. So let's see. There it is. Opens up really quick. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Thank you. Later. See you on the next one.